in today's video, I'll be telling you how to do this copy and pasting with your hair. As you can see, I don't know how to do this on mobile, so today I'm going to be doing it on laptop. The first step that you're going to do is press on clothing and then press on hair. Yeah, and also you have to buy the hairs that you want to copy and paste together before you actually do this, because of course you can't do it for free. So as you can see, I've already copy and pasted my hair, but for today's video I'll have to take it off. Okay, so now what you're going to do is press on one of the hairs that you want to copy and paste, their names. So I'm going to press on the black and red hair that I want to copy and paste. Just like this. Now let's wait for it to load. Okay, now it should bring you here. Now that you're here, you should see this thing at the top that says web.roblox.com. What you do is press on that, and then you're going to see this thing that's all in blue. You don't have to do the same hairs that I'm doing for today. You could do any hairs that you want to do. Okay. But as you can see, there's these numbers over here, and what you're going to do is put your mouse and put it to the last one. So as you can see, it's like that. What you're going to do is copy all of these numbers. Just like this. You're going to double tap on it and then press copy if you don't know how to copy it already. And what you're going to do is go back to avatar. Then of course you have to go back to hair. Then what you're going to do is scroll down until you see this button that says advanced. Press on it. These should pop up. Advanced options. What you're going to do is press on the empty space, that's asset ID. Then what you're going to do is press on it, double tap, and then press paste. And then you can see that the code of that black and red hair is there. Now press save, and then press save again, so then you can have it. Now you have one of the hairs on, but because we need these two hairs on as well, let's do that too. Okay, so now we're back to normal and I have my hairs on. So I really hope that this tutorial helped you get your hairs on. If you enjoyed this video, then smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the post notifications. Hitting the post notifications notifies you every single time when I make a new video. So yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I love you guys so much. Bye!